Hey, so I hope you all enjoyed that video by Karen Lewis on implicature. And you might wonder, why did we have to watch that whole video? And part of the reason is if you look at the section on conversational implicature, I guess I can put it here, implicature, it doesn't even amount to a full page. And I think that implicature is actually very important. So I want to pause and go over it and learn a little bit more in depth. Even what you get in the video is is a summary of important things about language and implicature. And what I'm going to do now is summarize a little bit more, try to draw the core aspects that I hope you all get. Okay, so let's dig in a little bit then. So the key person is someone named Paul Grice. Now, Paul Grice draws our attention to this thing called conversational implicature. Conversational implicature. What is that? So this is drawing from the book, by the way. It's a proposition that is not directly stated, but can reasonably be taken to be intended given the context. So let's think back to the example in the book, in the video. I'll use my own version of it. I say, I'm going to Ohio. My mother lives there. Okay. Now, did I actually say, was it directly stated that I would be visiting my mother or that that's the reason I'm going? No, that proposition is not directly stated. But it could reasonably be taken to be intended by me. That's what I'm trying to communicate, given like an ordinary context. So that's an example of conversational implicature. The implicature is the proposition that's not directly stated, but can reasonably be taken to be intended. Now, what made Grice special wasn't just that, he pointed out there are these conversational implicatures. I mean, most of you will know this phenomenon. Like you see it every day. We use it all the time. Uh, what Grice did was he gave a theory for why conversational implicatures arise. And that was this. It's because that as rational creatures, we all follow the cooperative principle. Okay, cooperative principle just says be cooperative. Cooperative. Be cooperative when you contribute to a conversation. Okay? So the idea is like we're rational creatures who want to communicate to each other and have other people communicate well to us. And so that means we're going to be cooperative. Okay? And if we're being cooperative when we're contributing to a conversation, then there will be things people can reasonably take you to be intending, even if you don't actually say it. So that's how the cooperative principle gives rise to conversational implicature. Now, the next question is, well, how do people try to be cooperative when they're contributing to a conversation? And that's where the four maxims arise: the maxim of quantity, quality, relation, and manner. So we're gonna go over those more in the Zoom session, but don't say too much, don't say too little, be relevant, be orderly, and so forth. Okay, that's us trying to be cooperative, and because we can reasonably be taken to be cooperative, That's how we're able to understand what the implicatures are of what you're saying. Okay, so we're going to go a little more into the examples and how they fit in with this and the four maxims, but we're going to do that in the Zoom session. But I hope this was helpful. So, yeah, next video.